Iliad S.A, mobile operator full review, features, strengths, weaknesses. Links to Iliad's plans and services are in the description. Iliad S.A is a French telecom company known for its disruptive pricing, no contract plans, and aggressive expansion into new markets. It operates under the Free Mobile brand in France and has expanded to Italy and Poland, offering affordable mobile and broadband services. Iliad has gained popularity by challenging traditional operators with transparent pricing, unlimited data options, and strong 4G and 5G coverage. Features: Iliad offers simple, contract-free mobile plans at competitive rates, making it one of the most affordable options in Europe. In France, its 5G plans include unlimited data, while its lower-tier options still provide generous allowances at unbeatable prices. The company's 4G and 5G coverage is extensive, especially in urban areas, and it continues to expand its network to improve rural connectivity. Iliad also offers international roaming in several countries, often at lower rates than its competitors. Another key feature is its transparent billing system. No hidden fees, no surprises. Strengths: Iliad's biggest strength is affordability. It consistently undercuts traditional carriers while maintaining solid network performance. Unlimited data options make it an excellent choice for heavy data users, and its no-contract policy provides flexibility. Another strength is rapid expansion and infrastructure investment, particularly in 5G, ensuring fast, reliable connectivity. Customer service is also straightforward, with an easy-to-use self-service portal and in-store support. Additionally, Iliad is known for innovating in telecom pricing, forcing competitors to lower their rates to stay competitive. Weaknesses: Despite its strengths, Iliad has a few drawbacks. Network coverage in rural areas is still improving, and while 5G speeds are strong in cities, they may be less consistent in smaller towns. Customer service, while improving, is sometimes criticized for slower response times, particularly for complex issues. Another limitation is international expansion. While growing, Iliad is still primarily focused on France, Italy, and Poland, meaning users in other countries may not benefit from its offerings. Final verdict: Iliad is a top choice for budget-conscious users who want unlimited data, no contracts, and strong urban 5G coverage. If you live in France, Italy, or Poland and need affordable, high-speed mobile service, Iliad is one of the best options. However, if you rely on extensive rural coverage or need premium customer support, you may want to explore alternatives. Check the links in the description for the latest Iliad plans.